Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's session, we're going to explore an important topic in artificial intelligence: explainable AI versus interpretable AI. As AI becomes more advanced, especially with deep learning and large language models, we face a big challenge. How do we trust the decisions made by these models? Let's start with interpretable AI. An interpretable AI model is one where the decision-making process is transparent and understandable by design. For example, a simple linear regression model is interpretable because you can clearly see how each input feature contributes to the final prediction. Decision trees are another example. You can follow the branches and see exactly why the model made a certain choice. So, interpretability means no black box. You don't need extra tools to understand the logic. The model is inherently simple and human-readable. Now let's move on to explainable AI, or XAI. This is about making complex black box models understandable after they've been built. Think about deep neural networks, ensemble models, or transformer-based systems. Powerful, but hard to understand directly. LIME, Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations, explains individual predictions by approximating the model locally. SHAP values assign importance scores to each feature for a specific prediction. Attention maps in deep learning highlight which parts of the input influence the decision most. Let's compare them side by side. Interpretable AI. Models are simple and transparent by nature, easy to trace decisions directly. Examples: linear regression, decision trees. Explainable AI. Models can be complex and black box and require additional techniques to explain. Examples: neural networks with SHAP or LIME. In short, interpretable AI equals sign, understandable by design. Explainable AI equals sign, black box, but we add explanations afterward. In healthcare, finance, law, and defense, decisions made by AI systems have real consequences. Regulators demand transparency and accountability. Users want to trust systems. Businesses need compliance with ethics and fairness guidelines. Therefore, explainable AI and interpretable AI are both critical for building trustworthy AI systems. So, to summarize, use interpretable AI for simplicity and transparency. Use explainable AI techniques when you need the power of complex models, but still want trust and accountability. Both approaches are complementary. Thank you for watching. Share this with others learning AI.